Kedau ke bakongsan ke bala pynkhie ke thma benang tersing bat David Scott akas nam siaja praspa at kadei kadi ke jingsna ya ke Surok ni kitam jagawa Brahmaputra chi kitam jagawa Surma lengba ke himan nong klau kani ke jing yo I jung David Scott chi spa prapu prasnam tam e menchua kalau long ru ke jing yo I jung ke sarkar kini ke sngi ke bamenta menta ya kani ke Surok lesna bat la dab bat umedring ba ke jelau kontra sang mahabuli jingok ya kani ke Surok Om bakanon rak shibun ya karoi kapar ya ka jingkiu ka khayi pateng ba kamjuru ya ka jo kai pathai lengba jo kan de ka Surok.
So we are here on the Mairang Rani Godown road and this in fact was a road which I remember in 2010-11 when I was the leader of opposition. I had mentioned about this road and I had urged government then to take up this road as we needed a alternate connection to Shillong. And I remember speaking about it. And when 2018, when our government was formed, we had taken up actively the construction of this road and the improvement of this road. And I'm happy to see that finally this road is now complete. And this was not also a promise that we had given to the people during the elections, and we've completed this road now. And as you're aware that road connectivity is a precursor to any kind of development to come. So therefore, once this road now that it's complete, in fact this road will open up a huge opportunity for commercial trade to take place, for different opportunities of tourism to come in, and definitely in other areas of food processing and other industries to develop. And since this road leads into the airport section and towards Guwahati city, and hence the land and the areas closer to the Guwahati sector and the airport sector will also see much more development in the future, because we'll be able to develop the concept of satellite cities, where we'll be able to create zones, and the proximity to Guwahati city will give an advantage to it. So this road construction will have multiple benefits, and first of course is the connectivity for the people, but number two is the economic opportunities that will open up for not only the people in this region but for the state as a whole. And third and most important is that this will serve as an alternative route going into East Khasi Hills and other parts of Meghalaya also, as one of the alternative roads, since the connectivity goes straight to Guwahati and closer to the airport.